Welcome to our vlog.
Hello! Ayan, it's already 6:30 and we're just gonna have the neighbors is cooking fish. Amoy isda yung bahay and it's already can you pause that one first, please? Pause it a bit first. We're gonna have our merienda. We ordered 9 fresh. And then hindi ako masyadong nagvo-vlog kasi naiinis naman ako dito sa lips ko. But we have good news. Hubby's swab test is out na. Actually, yesterday pa pala. We didn't know that you can actually check it yourself through the SingPass app or website. Yeah. So, it's negative. So, yun. That's a very good news. Thank God. And now, we're gonna celebrate it by buying food outside. kasi makakalabas na siya. He can go out to buy food. So, yun. And then, let's merienda. Yes, and someone is so eager.
Mommy, which is mine?
I think all the flavor is the same. No,
Mine is different.
Oh, yours is the soya, is it?
And Daddy, how about mine?
Yours is the what is that called, baby? Pull. Yes, we have the same flavor. There's your milk. There. So yan, kain tayo.
Kain tayo.
Oh, yo, kain. Say kain. Say kain. Yes, tayo. Yeah. So how do you feel? Do you feel relief? Or you're really expecting it to be negative?
Expecting it to be negative.
Really, yeah?
Yeah.
You're so, sure of yourself, ah?
Confident.
Is it?
Of course.
And someone's...
Atake na ako ng kung ano-ano sa kakaisip because of that. But yeah. Rico, baby, help. Oh yeah, and Dwayne's 9 fresh is this. Different flavor siya. But it has the same bean and... By the way, this one is nuts. Oh, tingnan mo, merong maliit na kamay.
I was trying to do that by myself.
Ay, sus. Si.
He cannot wait already.
Yeah, so feed him first. Oh, drop. Oh. Kain tayo. Hello, handsome. Why you're so handsome? Hindi na niya ako pinansin. Jesus! Coming. Yummy. I see. Again. Sit down.
Daddy, watch. This is how you play ping pong.
Daddy, going to take something. Say bye-bye to Daddy. Flying kiss. Mwah. Come here na. Come here. You see the sky, it's so dark. You don't go out that night. Look, it's dark already. Come, let's go. Say bye-bye to Daddy. See you later, Daddy. Come. You wanna comb your hair? Comb hair? Comb. Okay, come. Comb hair. Come. Comb hair. Nanonood kami nitong Adam's Family, right, Zion? Comb hair. So, just now, lumabas si Dwayne para kunin tong, ayan, yung in-order na naman niya sa in-order na naman niya sa group buy na sinalihan niya. Kakain na pala kami kaya nakalabas na yung mga kanin. Bakit kasi may mga lotion sa lamesa, no? Tanggalin nga natin. So, ito yon kay Mr. Baguette. Oh, they have at Hougang and at Beach Road. So, that's a Baguette giving you a thumbs up. And here it is. Mom. What? Mom? There.
What are baguettes?
This is the baguette. The type of bread. He bought 2 kasi ibibigay niya yung isa for my sister-in-law. So, yeah. So, here is our dinner to celebrate Dane's
Mommy,
good news.
it's
We're
20.
having salted crab.
Salted egg crab.
Yes, yummy.
There are 30 choices.
And then, kung ayaw ni Tito, ito yung kakainin niya. The foolproof ulam. Ay, ulam. Foolproof
Mommy, there
food.
are...
Rabu, wait.
Mommy, there
Rabu,
are
wait.
3
This is-
choices. This, or that.
Horfun.
Chili.
Horfun, right, baby?
Mm-hmm.
So, yun. Kain tayo.
Let's eat. Okay.
Why? Huh?
Mommy, there are only 3 choices for me.
What?
Rice, that, or that.
Yes. So, which one you want? How about the crab? The crab saying hello. No? You don't like the smell? What? It's so delicious. Ayan, pupunta kami ng playground. Hello, there's my baba. Your scooter? Yeah, we forgot to bring it. But it's okay. We'll just do a quick... Hey, there's other kid. There's other kid playing, ano? Hi. Doon si Zion, nakipaglaro siya sana sa dalawang yan. Ayaw nila siyang pansinin.
And that's my baby brother.
Ko. You can play by yourself, oh. It's okay, oh. Hold tight. Kala ko baliktad yung mask ko. Kawawa naman si Zion, hindi siya pinapansin, para siyang ano, invisible.
I just slide off. Wait, that's how you look at me. No, not me, because I've always done. What do I say now? Look at me. No, look at that. What do I say? Look at me. Then you look at me.
Come here. Dance, dance, ang isra boom boom. Good?
Thank you for watching. Bye.